subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to Kolado Graphics Design channel. I hope you all had a great day. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can source for your 3D character or your 3D resources. But before diving into the video, if you are a new viewer, please kindly click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload an amazing video. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. So just like I said earlier, I'll be showing you guys how you can source for your 3D character or 3D resources using an app called Pinterest. So you can easily use a Pinterest app to source for your 3D character or your 3D images for your designs. So let's look into this. So watch the video carefully so that you can understand all the process involved. So once you are into your Pinterest app like this, all you just have to do is to click on the search. You click on the search icon. Click on the search icon here. So once you click on the search icon, you enter whatever you need. You enter it into the search bar. Let's say we have we need 3D Facebook icon now. Facebook icon. So you can see now we are having different 3D Facebook icon. So as you can see this, once you press on any one of it, you have something like that as well. You can see under it we have the Instagram icon, the 3D Instagram icon. We have the the 3D Twitter icon, the TikTok 3D icon. So we have the different social media icon under this. So you can just click under any one of it, then you'll be having more other icon under it. So you can just press any 3D resources you need. 3D location icon. 3D location icon. You can see these are some 3D locations icon. So that is just how you can get any resources you need using your Pinterest app. Let's say we are looking for 3D character. So just press into the search bar 3D characters. So you can see these are different 3D characters we having. So once you click on the 3D character like this, if you want to download the character, all you just have to do is to click on these three dots. Click on these three dots. You click on that three dots. After clicking on the three dots, you can see we are having another drop down menu. You can see we have follow bot panda, copy link, download image, hide pin, report pin. So all you just have to do is to click on download image. Then automatically you have the image downloaded to your gallery. So that is the first way you can use in getting your 3D resources or your 3D character. So the second steps you can use in getting your 3D resources or your 3D character is that once you have the 3D resources in your gallery before, or you have the 3D character but you want something similar to that, you don't want to use the one you've been using previously, so you want something similar to that. What you can simply do is that you can just click on this camera icon. You click on this camera icon. So once you click on that camera icon, your gallery opens up. So you click on this, it opens your camera. So you click on this to go to your gallery where I am pointing the arrow. You click on that, then your gallery opens up. So you can just click on the resources you have you had on your in your gallery before. So once you click on it, it scans like this, then it will bring something similar to that. You can see we have more images similar to that image. So let's try with another image. Let's try with another image now. So let's try with another 3D character. So you can see once I click on that 3D character, we have something similar to that. We have something similar to that character, bringing more characters. So another 3D resources. Let's use this emoji. You can see we have more emojis looking just like that emoji. So that is just how you can get something similar to the one you having in your gallery before. So that is just how you can use your Pinterest app in getting 3D resources or 3D character. Thanks for watching.